Welcome to a tour of our new camp. Hope you enjoy this. No, this isn't our new camp. This is the camp that my buddy and I built when we were in high school. It really served the purpose, and we had a lot of memories and a lot of fun time in this area. For years, Johanne has been looking almost on a daily basis for land or cabins that have been for sale here in Nova Scotia. Looking for a place that we could get a cabin to hunt on that was back in the country and possibly put a food plot in for deer. And either thing's been way too expensive or just didn't really fit our need. This day in March 2021, we found this cabin was perfect for our needs. This was the first day that we walked in to check the cabin out. We hadn't even put an offer in. In fact, we put the offer in while walking back out from here. So we were really excited about it. It really fit what we were looking for.
Hi guys, welcome to Adventures Outdoors with Frank Zinck and his lovely wife. We have a little surprise for you today, and I'm telling you, we're super excited, and the next probably many videos are going to be based on this. So I've been looking for years on Kijiji and wherever for a piece of property for Frank to do some hunting, fishing, next to water, but we came up with this. We found something in the last month. We've been coming up here, and this is our new adventure. We bought this property. It's 20 plus acres. We have a hunting camp, we have a shed, we have an outhouse, we have everything. We have a pond down this way, and we're super excited because I've just obtained my hunting course, crossbow, so I have everything that I need, and this is where Frank is going to be going for hunting. And really, we like to camp still in the summer, but we're going to spend the rest of the time here. So that's what we're doing. But today is our first look on the inside, where we can see if everything is the way that it should be. So this is our introduction to our new home. And guess what we've called, not our new home, our new away from home. It's called Stagger Down. Frank's a newfie, so you know, that's kind of the name that we've given it. So come on in, take a look at our Stagger Down.
Well, there's a little shed on the property. The floor is pretty rotten in it. I gotta replace the floor in there. But nice big shed. We're not going to keep anything expensive or anything in the shed, obviously. I mean, we're way back in the country. We're 2.5 kilometers from the road. So we'll keep some gas for the ATV. Some propane, and I got lime back there and some deer salts. I'm gonna make a mineral lick out of here. A couple of apple trees. Fenced backyard is kind of cool. There's a nice little outhouse back there. I think Joanne shot some video of it. I'll have to check her video. There's some wood back there. The back door. We have 3 solar panels on the roof and a metal roof. So that should last a while. It's got vinyl siding on it. Oop. Massive fire pit. Still got to be cleaned up with some garbage there. I'm going to actually reduce the fire pit size. It doesn't need to be that big for us. So if you come down here, there's a lawnmower there. I got to get rid of that. So I'm gonna put a tree stand somewhere over here. It'd be a great spot because it's a straight shot. It's 100 yards to the other end exactly. The biggest problem for me is going to be I'm going to till this and plant some brassica and clover for the deer. And just through here, I'm not going to go down right now, we've shot some video, but there's a little pond, and so the deer have access to water. There's a pond down here, and there's some water that runs through off the hardwood ridge just behind here. There's a beautiful hardwood ridge, great spot for deer, just like really just a few hundred yards away. It's amazing. So we'll turn this into a food plot right off the doorstep of the camp. This is a little pond. Be great for the deer.
I can't reach up that high.
So we have 6 battery banks here connected to the solar right there, and we have a 3,000 watt inverter to boot. The wood stove, it's pretty good, does what we got to do. There's a full propane stove, and it just hooks up with the propane on the outside. Little kitchen area, and our cluttered living room. I bought a barbecue, haven't set it up yet. Chainsaw and the whippersnipper not staying here. We're going to try not to leave anything valuable in here for obvious reasons. I split a pile of wood today. And there's the bedroom. There's 2 mattresses. The idea being somebody comes to stay with us, we can just slam the spare mattress on the floor, and if they bring sleeping bags, then they're good to go. Oh yeah, we bought a fridge, an electric fridge, and the solar has no problem with running that fridge, and our water is nice and cold, so that's really, really good. That's a bonus. In the backyard here, there was some wood left here. I'm gonna finish splitting that and getting it organized. And there's a propane. That's where the propane hooks up to the inside of the house. So we'll take that and stow that away. But yeah, it's pretty good. Hope you guys enjoy it. We're really excited. It's gonna be lots of deer pictures, lots of footage, I'm sure. The whole place I've wired up with solar deer cameras and card deer cameras. There's all kinds of stuff, so we should be good to go.
His hunting and, you know, to do our shoulder years from camping. Shoulder years? Shoulder of the year.
Months. Shoulder months.
We're okay, hold on. So I've been
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.